Alright guys, today we talk about the TOG, which is this thing over here when you purchase thermal clothing and such. I know I am wearing a t-shirt right now, but if you live in Europe like me, it's freezing like hell lately. It's like minus 12 degrees in the night, so perhaps understanding what TOG is could be interesting for you. Let's have a closer look together. First of all, we have three main unit of measurements for thermal clothing. TOG, which stands for Thermal Overall Grade. This measurement is mostly used for kilts, bed sheets, and it's been invented in UK. It's a commercial way to indicate the thermal properties. CLO, which stands for Clothing Insulation Unit. This is used mostly for garments and considers also the body, not just the fabric performances. RCT, which stands for Thermal Resistance. This is a rational way to indicate thermal properties and performances. All this derives from RCT, which is a scientific way to indicate thermal properties. The problem is that the unit of measurement is this, and most of the times you have values like 0.2407. It's a bad way to indicate a number, right? As for pH value that goes from 1 to 14, TOG and CLO invented a conversion to have a much better value. A range that, commercially speaking, is better. One TOG is this and one CLO is more or less this. But what should I do when I purchase a new garment? Let's have two examples. We have a sleeping bag for babies, so the unit of measurement will be TOG. The range goes from 0.2 to 3 as follow. There are also TOG of around 3.5, but in my humble opinion 2.5 is the maximum. Above you risk overheating, which is very dangerous, especially for babies. Second example is a ski jacket, so the unit of measurement will be CLO. The range goes from 0.1 to 3, considering that one TOG is more or less 0.65 CLO. CLO is bigger. Remember that TOG indicates the fabric's performances. CLO indicates thermal comfort. That's why you will never find a value of CLO while purchasing a garment, but perhaps a general statement like this one of Uniqlo that compares the casual and the technical version of the same product. That's it for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the content of this video. You will find my details below along with my email, Reddit and so on. If you need any textile help, I'm at disposal naturally. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and always remember that as long as we have yarns, fabrics and in this case thermal properties, there will always be a story to tell. Last but not least, I would like to thank you, each of you, for the small donations that I receive each week. Much appreciated, guys. And for the emails that you write me every now and then. That's all for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video.